Hello student, today we learn present tense. First, simple present tense. In simple present tense, the simple present tense is used to regular action or habit. First is table, I, we, you, he, she, it, they. Noun, pronoun, simple form of verb, other part of the sentence. In he, she, it, we used s or es compulsory with verb. In example, positive, I, we, you, they go to the school. He, she, it goes to the school. I, we, you, they put books in the bag. In negative form, he, she, it does not go to the school. I, we, you, they do not put books in the bag. In interrogative, do I, we, you, they put books in the bag? Does he, she, it go to the school? Interrogative, negative. Do not I, we, you, they put books in the bag? Does not he, she, it go to the school? In simple present tense, second part, we says universal truth always in simple present tense. Its example, laughter is the best medicine. Practice makes a man perfect. Honesty is the best policy. Third part, we indicate our custom and traditions always in simple present tense. First, we burn crackers during Diwali. We play with colors during Holi. Third, we play Garba in Navratri. Present tense, second part, continue present tense. When we used continuous present tense, an action going on at the time when we speaking. Table, in positive, I, we, you, he, she, it, they. Noun, pronoun, is, am, are, simple form of verb, ing, other part of the sentence. Example, I am playing cricket now. They are seeing film now. In negative, noun, pronoun, is, am, are, not, simple form of verb, ing, other part of the sentence. Example, I am not playing cricket now. They are not seeing film now. Continue present tense, interrogative, positive. Is, am, are, noun, pronoun, simple form of verb, ing, other part of the sentence. Example, are you playing cricket now? Question mark compulsory. Are they seeing film now? In negative, are you not playing cricket now? Are they not seeing film now? Present perfect tense. When we use present perfect tense, actions or activities started in past time somewhere or started in present somewhere but ended up in present only, inverted comma. Positive, I, we, you, he, she, it, they table. Noun, pronoun, has, have, past participle, other part of the sentence. Example, Riya has passed UPSC exam. They have finished their work. In negative, Riya has not passed UPSC exam. They have not finished their work. In interrogative, has Riya passed UPSC exam? Question mark is compulsory. Have they finished their work? In negative, has Riya not passed UPSC exam? Have they not finished their work? Fourth type of present tense, present perfect continuous tense. It is used for an action which began somewhere in the past and is still continuing in present. Its construction in positive, noun, pronoun, has, have, been, verb, ing, other part of the sentence. Its example, Rita has been making toys since last 2 years. Second, they have been riding the horse for several days. In negative, Rita has not been making toys since last 2 years. They have not been riding the horse for several days. In interrogative, positive, has Rita been making toys since last 2 years? Have they been riding the horse for several days? In negative, Has Rita not been making toys since last 2 years? Second, have they not been riding the horse several days?